welcome to my channel. This is not a sew-in. I'm gonna say it again. This is not a sew-in, this is crochet, baby. Can't believe how far crochet has come. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this was one of the more difficult hairstyles because due to the fact that my real hair is thin, I had a difficult time covering the crochet hook, but I figured it out. I didn't figure it out actually. I found a video of another young lady, this one, and this technique, baby. Oh, I cannot wait to show you how we covered everything up and made it look super seamless using this technique. I'm not gonna hold you for too long. We're gonna jump right into this video because I promise you, this is not a sewing, this is crochet. As always, when you are doing a sew-in or a crochet style, you want to get your braiding pattern down first. And that's what we're doing here. Because I do want this to look exactly like a sew-in, I am going to leave out some of my hair and all of my edges because we can't afford to lose any more edges. You know what I mean? I decided to do a deep part. So the hair that I am braiding right now is the leave out hair. And now I am braiding the hair very similar to how you would braid down a regular sew-in. I also use some false hair while I'm braiding my real hair down. And this is the braiding pattern I used. Please make sure you watch the rest of the video if you're interested in making your crochet look like a sew-in. Oh yeah, 2025. We are definitely elevating all hairstyles. I am done braiding. Now we're going to just put this away. So let's start from here. I got this hair serum from a company called DV. It is a scalp serum. It revitalizes and detoxifies, improves appearance of thin hair, nourishes hair follicles. So we're going to use that to moisturize scalp. I want this crochet hairstyle to look exactly like a sew-in. I did one pack and I'm on my second pack right now. And I'm gonna start going towards the front now. For this crochet install, I am using Eayon Crochet Human Hair. And the texture that I'm using is the lightweight, kinky straight crochet human hair. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I used about 5.5 bundles, but you could totally get away with less because this hair is thick and it matches my natural hair beautifully. I have 2 packs left, including this. I definitely have enough hair left, but for this part right here, I believe I'm going to have to sew in a track. I have 2 packs left. This is the hair. This is what 4 packs of hair looks like. I think it is very full. I'm just worried about how I'm going to cover this up. Unless I put them like really close together. I think I want to try to like really close together, and then I wonder if this will cover it up the way I want to. And I want to try that before. If not, then I would just sew this on this way so it could fall. But I truly want to try putting this as close as possible and seeing how that works. But then right here we could have a problem over here. This space right here could be a problem because I need like a track right there. What I love so far is how lightweight it is. It is extremely lightweight. I was so pleasantly surprised that this technique actually worked and covered up that entire area right there. This technique is better than using a piece of track hair. So I'm just checking to see how that will look. I am gonna add some black spray in there. I still have this side to do, but I'm definitely, because I only have 1 pack left, which is this one. So I'm gonna use that to fill up here. All right, but this is what it's looking like. I really like that. And I only have 1 pack left. I mean, we know how to do this, right? Crocheting is fairly easy. This is different because this hair is not loose. It is individual crochet hair, and it is attached to a string. And that string allows your hair to be a lot flatter. And honestly, if you have fuller hair, this would be perfect for you. But if your hair is finer like mine, I would almost want the thread to be a little shorter. It doesn't have to be so long. However, we were able to finesse this hairstyle and make it work for us by using this braiding hair that I got from the beauty supply store. And that's a technique that I learned from that young lady that I showed in the beginning of this video, which allowed my hair to blend perfectly, and I did not have to worry about having to cover anything up, because this hair is so full and it blends in with our natural hair so much that it looked really good. I mean, look at that. And we did the same thing. We just crocheted in just like we did the human hair. This is not human hair, y'all. Just like we did the human hair, and that was that. However, the human hair does not come out when you tug at it. This hair, if you pull at it too hard, it will just slide out. So that's another con. Besides that, this hair also doesn't take a lot of heat, so you can get it like super smooth, you know. to use some of this hair. I had to leave my house, go to the beauty supply store to buy this hair. It is, what kind of hair is it? It is the Afro twist hair, because I saw a video on how I could make it blend really, really well. So I wanted to try it, and it also takes a little bit of heat. You can put a little bit of heat on it. So I wanted to try it and see how it's going to cover up, because y'all know my hair ain't the thickest. And look at that. And I'm finished, yeah.